Hello guys, welcome to my page. I'm Samuel Zidima and here is some Zid architectural design. I'm hoping to serve your needs on architecture as well as broaden your knowledge on Autocad drafting and detail, Autodesk Revit modeling and Lumion for rendering. We upload 3 videos each and every week, so be sure to subscribe and get updated anytime the video drops. Today our video is simple. We are going to create a modernized stairs in AutoCAD 2022, and it's going to be simple and the easiest way, so stay tuned. Without wasting my time, I would like to show you something before we go into our work plane and start something. So I have a picture I'll have to show you guys. So I have this picture. So this is what today we are going to design. This staircase, a very modernized staircase, and it's going to be simple and easy, so don't waste time. Here we're using AutoCAD to model this, so if you have a 3D in AutoCAD, you can also modernize or design this one and fix it inside to make it look nice. So without wasting my time, we go into our work plane to start something. So open our project that's new. I'm using this template is a metric template. So if you're using imperial or inches or feet or something, you can also go with the same procedure and get what you want. So without wasting my time, you have to go to home and then we click on our staircase. Then we have to make some adjustments in our property here. Then if your style, if your shape is not U-shaped, you have to change it to U-shape. If you're having a dimension, you adjust your dimension. I want my dimension to be 1200. I also want the height of the stairs. It's always 3000. That's 3000 mm. From ground floor or from a floor to floor, it should be 3000 mm. So take note. So I'll have to make sure that anytime my terminate should be on thread, not riser. I have to put it on thread. And also, then we click here. I have to put this my auto mode on so that I can get what I want. So I drag it to this side small, press there, escape. Then let's go to 3D and see what we have here. So let's look at what we have right now. I'm going to conceptuals. So you see this is what we are having right now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make some changes here. So you just stay tuned. We go to select the stairs. We go to edit. Then we uncheck this our riser and change this our trend thickness to 75. Hit enter. And then also change this our nosing length to 0. Hit enter. And then also our landing thickness should also be 75, and this is what we want. Hit enter. You can decide you can change it. You can make it 100, 1 to 5, how it depends on how you want it. So this is how I want it to be. So if you come to the edit style, you go to the component, you see, then do your adjustment there. When you are done, you hit OK. You see, as we did the adjustment there, this is what we have right now. And this is also another style of stairs that you can also design. It is very nice and also cool, but this is not what we want right now. We're going to design our own ultra modern staircase, which we can also use in our module. So I'll go to top view. I'll go to top view. Then let me change it to conceptual to wireframe. Then also top. So I will click on it. I want the space between them to be 150. So I'll press on this and then drag it. I'll not even drag it. I'll just press the tap. Then you see where it snapped. Then I type in 150. Hit enter. If you're using inches, that's 6 inches. And then also what we have to do now, we're going to go to 3D again. And then as we go to 3D, then we see what we have and adjust it. Let me make it 300 so that we get to see what we're talking about. So press the tab key, then make that place 300. That's 1 feet. Then we go to our 3D again and see what we have. So the work that we are going to do here is very simple. The next step is very simple. Listen to it well. What we are going to do is we are going to create a line on the surface of this our landings. We are creating lines on the surface of this our landings so that we can sweep what we want and also do some extrusions. But before we can do that, we have to go to our views and then go to the coordinate well system, pick surface, then you snap the surface of this one, click there, then press anywhere on the working plane, then press enter. Then what you are going to do now is also simple. Go to left. Let me go to sorry. Let me go to this place. Good. Then what you are going to do now, we are going to use a polyline to design our our path. So click on polyline, then we select this plane here to the end of this side, to this end, and then also to this end. Hit enter. Then we go to we have to come to our view again, then go to the world coordinate system, pick surface, hit here, hit the next landing, click there, then hit anywhere of your working plane, click, then hit enter. Then you go to you press PL, then hit enter. That's polyline. Then you click here to the end of this line, to the end of that, and then last here. So that's how it's going to be. So you go to the view again, then go to the coordinate system, pick face, hit there, then press anywhere of your working plane, then hit enter. Then you press PL, enter. That's your polyline. Then also press then here, and also to the end here. So that's how it's going to do that. It's very simple, as I said earlier. So you go to your face again, you pick here, press anywhere, and then hit enter. PL, enter. You get your polyline, and then see how it goes. It's very simple. So you go to work surface again, pick your surface, hit anywhere, enter, and then PL, you hit enter, and then you pick your path. Pick your path, level 3, so you're almost there. So think, press here again, go there, hit enter, then you pick our plane, our line, then to draw our path. So it's something very simple, very, very simple. So we go to then press our click on our surface, anywhere, enter, PL, enter, pick your path to this end, also to this end, and to this end. Boom. Then you have to go to um, comment. You have to go to the work surface again, and then press anywhere, enter, PL, and then the end here. Good. So now our next step is we are going to home, then we go to fill it, we come down here, then we press on radius, we give it a radius of let's give it a radius of 250, that's 8 inches. Then Press multiple because we're going to do it more. So you pick this one and then this one, pick this one and then this one, you pick this one and then also this one, pick there and that, there and that, and also this and then that, this and then also that. So something like that, and then come down here, pick this one, the same thing, guys, to all of the lines. Very, 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 very simple. As you can see, very simple. Nice, nice work, nice work. So what you're going to do, go to 3D again, go to our 3D, go to our 3D again, then you can see what we have done. So we are going to sweep through this path to get what we want. So we have to set a plane here. So we have to set a plane and then so that we can edit our profile that we can sweep. So we have to go to a view port again and then go to the world coordinate system, pick face, press this face, hit anywhere of the working plane, hit enter, then put it to the top. Good. So what you're going to do now, you go home, pick your rectangle, then you pick this place and then snap it there. Then what you're going to do now is I would like to do some small design at the edge of this landing. So I will go to line, pick this place, move 1 inch, which is 25. Then I come down small, it's somewhere in the middle here. And then also I would like to explode this thing, polyline, so that I can move this one to this end. Okay. Okay. So now I think I can join them. I have to join them. Hit enter. Then I copy this one. I'll copy. I have to move this one also small. I have to move this one small. Yeah, at least 25. 1 inch. Move it 1 inch. That's 25 mm. Then copy CP, enter. Pick this one. Position it here. Position it there. So let's put our auto mode off. Position this one here. Position that here. Position also this one here. Position that. So to the end of this one. So you hold control, then you select here, you press M, move, enter, and drag it to the end where you want it. So I think we have to go outside small. So I have to select, hold control, select it, then you press M, hit enter, and you drag it outside small. Good. So I think we have what we want. So what we go to our isometric view, and what you're going to do now, you're going to sweep them through as it is now. I want to hide this our staircase, which we don't need it anymore. So I will go to home, go to layers, then turn the layer off so that we will not see it again. So I think we have something like this. So we are going to sweep through. So what you're doing, you're going to do, you hit one of, you select one of them, and you press sweep SWEP, hit enter, then select the path. See how it goes. Very simple. Let me go to conceptual so that you see what we are doing right now. You see, I sweep through and we're almost getting to what we want. very nicely. So I will select this one again, go to sweep, then it's my polyline. Select this one again, go to sweep, and then select this one, go to sweep, path, select this one and go to sweep, path, select that, go to sweep, go to sweep, select path, select this one again, sweep, path, select this one, go to sweep, hit path, select this one. This one we're not going to sweep, we're going to extrude it because we didn't give it any path. So we extrude, extrumud, so hit enter, then you drag it to where you want it to be. But we know our dimension of our landing. Our landing has a dimension of 120, so square 120 plus 120 plus 150 plus 300, which gives us 2700. So we press in 2700, hit enter, then we have our landing looking very nicely. So guys, we are almost there. So this is what we have very nicely. So what you're going to do right now, is we are going to apply some materials on it, and after we apply materials on it, we'll see how it looks like very nicely. So first I would like to group them. Select all of them, press group, hit enter. So you select it one. If you select it, it will be one. So you can position it at anywhere in your drawing you want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply material. So I'll go to render tool, and I go to apply material browser, and I go to home, or I go to materials. Sorry, I have to skip it. Oh, it's wasting my time. Okay, good. So I have to go to this place, go to wood, and then I'll pick and switch this in. So I'll select it and then shift this thing in. So since we are in conceptual mode, we will change it to realistic so that you can see as we apply the materials on it. So let me select it again. I think this wood is too weird. So we apply them to get exactly what you want. Apply them, get what exactly the type. There are different types of wood here you can apply. Select, apply it. This is one here I want to use. It's very nice. So let me scroll down some more. So select this one. So as you can see, a very nice staircase, modernized one, which we have designed. It's simple, guys. Very simple. You follow the step-by-step process I showed you. You see that you have very nice staircase. So guys, you're welcome once again, and thank you for watching. And don't forget, I'm Sam Z. Don't forget, this is Sam Z Architecture, and we serve you with architectural designs, which involves 3D modeling, rendering, structure works, designs, everything, guys. So don't forget to hit the notification button and also subscribe to my channel. And we upload 3 videos each and every week, as I said earlier. So without wasting more time, I'll end this video here, and thank you for watching.